So from here, this is the announcement bar. Means I will simply give you, like, let's suppose whatever the things you want to hide, just you have to click in hide, it will become hide. And whatever things you have to edit, just go in that, and whatever things you want to edit, you can edit from here. So first we will go first you will see we are customizing the home page of our website. So announcement bar, this is the announcement bar. So I want to edit it, just I can edit it according to my need. Let's suppose I wrote this and I want to change the background of this thing, so I can change the background according to my need also. So like this. And if you want to put any link in this, so you can put that also. Let's suppose when someone will click on that, what will happen. So let's suppose I want to redirect that person on the checkout, or on the product page. So I can put the product and on what product. So I can just click like this. So when somebody will click, so it will directly redirect to that page. So this is how we can do. And when you will make the homepage, just don't keep too much long for that one, for the general store, because when we run the Facebook ads, or when we run anything like TikTok ads or organic things, so just we keep the one product and we target that product. So just don't keep too much long website. So first I will see, like, what are the things I want to keep and what are the things I want to remove. Just I want to keep these things because this is the home banner. After that, I can remove these things. So this is the down thing, so I don't need these things. And if you want to anything extra thing, anything, just you can add the block, and at the end also here you can add the sections also, whatever the sections you want to add. So this is how. So this is my about us page. So you can customize your themes according to the provided theme. So this is the collection I can make. So this is bestseller, I will remove. I don't need these things. Other thing, this feature promotions, banners. So I want to keep my homepage short and simple, so that I don't customer don't need to scroll too much long. And these are the things you will get. You don't need to update these things, it will automatically update when you purchase the domain. It will it will update according to that. So after that, just you can, let's suppose now I want to edit my banner things. So just go in here, slides, and here I can go, and here let's suppose I want to write the kitchen store. So I will just remove it and I will upload. So you can select from the gallery, they have the stock images, so you can, like, home series. So just I will make this and I will insert this. So this is how we'll make. And if you want to put like want to change the headline, so definitely I will change the headline. This is so I want to these are things I will write. And like you can write like you can write little bit description about this this collection. Means we are making the collection because we have our home improvement collection, we have our pet collection. So I can show my customers whatever things available on my website. So I can write here, uh, you have to write these things, like, just this is not a correct way to write, but just you can write these things description. If you are not getting idea like what I will write, just you can take the help of chat gpt. So I use that one also to making our website so much good. So you can use that thing also. So I will use so this is how you can. And now you can see here, you can right here the button you can change also. I want to change it soft now. And like how when the customer will click on that button, what will happen. So I can I want to redirect that person in the collection section. In the collection, what is the collection? Home decor collection. So this is how we will make. When the customer will click on that, it will go there. Here it will go in collection, means in home decor collection it will go. So I will save it. And same thing, now I want to add one more slide because it is one slide. So I want to make one slide more. So whatever the stores you have, let's suppose you have, if you have three stores, then you can add three stores also. So just I will just here, let's suppose I have a kitchen store. So I will go here, I will come here, search in kitchen. So I will select this, and here. So I will write little bit good things about the kitchen. After that, you can write the button shop now and view now, view all, anything. So here what we will do, we will select the collection, and again we will click on the collection. What are the collection we want? We want, let's suppose I have a collection of pet store, but if we have made the a collection of kitchen, we can select that also. But I have not made it, just this is the dummy site. So I will select the pet store, same thing, or I will remove this and I will make the pet store also. So it will slide like that, means when the buyer will come on your website, so they can see all the collection by clicking on the buttons. So I will save it and I will go there. This so this is how, if you want to add extra slides, you can edit. I already told you how you can do it. And in the header, what you can do, like if you want to change your logo name, you can change here. Just you have to for the desktop view, when you will customize your website, just keep always on the mobile mode, so that it will you can make perfectly for the mobile. Because mostly buyers shop by the mobile only. 98% buyers shop from the mobiles only. So you can update your domain here. So whatever the domains you, sorry, you can update your logo here. So like this, here you can do all the things. Just you can read the settings and you can play with these buttons, like what is happening, and instantly it will change here, so you can see what is happening. So you can do according to your need also. So these are things I will do. After that, here is the image and text. So what I can do, like, because what I usually do, like if I will mention the collections here, so I will not mention the collection here also. Just I will put some products here, and I will make my uh, sites ready. So just I will remove here, and I will feature collection. I will own it. I will just put limited product. I will put 12 best sellers. I will so this is how. And I will click on grind slider, means it will come slider. Mix, it will mix randomly, but you can select anyone. If you want to keep this, if you want to keep your store short and simple homepage, just what you can do, like you can mention all the collections here, and here you can put some products, and at the end whatever the store information is there. So this is the easy way to make the website. So I usually prefer this thing, like collections, some products, and at the end of the footer, these are things, because our main role is to work on the product page. So this is the really important thing. So after doing these things, like I already updated the collections. Now in the here I will put some products. So where I will get all the products. So let's suppose create a collection. I want to put the products of the home decor. And if you want to put uh, all the products here in the best sellers, so just you can tag, you can make a collection of, you can make a separate collection of all products. Just you can give anything name like best sellers or top sellers, and in the tag you can put all tag, so that when you will import the product, just uh, when we put the pet tag in that, you can put all tag also, so that products will go in the best seller collection or whatever the seller, so that it will, all the product will come there. So here like this you can save all the things. Now our site is ready. So this is easy to make, customize the theme. So this is how you will customize the theme. So I will not make the home page too much long, because in the mobile you will see it will become too much long. So now I want to see. So this is how we make the store shop now. This is a smart kitchen, and you want to change the colors also according to your need. So this is our sellers, and this is our simple. So this is the how we will customize our shop. And in the settings section, if you want to change the colors, whatever the colors, like if you want to change the button color, you can change the button color according to your need. So these are the settings, just card settings, but I will recommend don't change if you are using plus base, because all the settings they have keep, that is the best things they have done. Now we want to change our okay, we will now work for the product page. So let's suppose this is the product page. So this is the product page. Okay, so this is the product page, means product page means when we will click the product, means usually what we do, like when we run the Facebook ad, we just direct our customer to the product page directly. So this is our product page, how it is looking. So what are things we have to remove, and what are things we should keep in the product page settings. These are things we have want. This is the title, product title. So other things, this is the review will come when you will import the review from the AliExpress. The price, when you will keep the price. So if you hide, if you want to hide anything, you can hide it if you want to. So timer, clock down, this is the things. Okay, real time visitor, variant selection, estimated shipping time, quantity bundle, accessories, trust badges. This is the trust badges. So all the things, let's suppose if you want to hide anything, yes, you can hide this like this, so it will hide here. So this is a product page. And if you can separately change the things in the product page also. So this is how we will customize our store, and this is how we will make all the things. So let's suppose I want to change, if I want to work on my product page. So I will give you example. So let's suppose we will go in the product settings. Sorry, we'll go in the dropshipping products, and we'll go in here, we'll click product. And here, because it is on our store, sorry, not on our store, all products will go. And this is the product, we want to change the settings, all the things. This is the product. So I'll go here, and if I want to customize it, I can customize according to my, like, let's suppose if I want to remove the title, and the product page they already made, so this is good. Now here, this is shipping. If you want to increase the shipping, you can edit it according to your need also. And this is the product cost, we are like, this product is around, so we are selling it at, so if you want to edit it, just you can edit it also. So this is the price we are selling it. This is a compare price slash price. Let's suppose we want to sell it at 23, 33, sorry, we want to sell it, and save it. So this is how we customize our product page, and this is how we change the prices, all the things. And other thing, now the one thing is remain, like how you will import the product from the AliExpress. So just you have to go in the AliExpress, and here you will see add AliExpress product, and here you have to import the product link. Let's suppose any product, let's suppose. So whatever the link you will get, just you have to copy that link. Let's suppose this is the link. So it is not opening, just you have to use the VPN, simple thing. So just put the link here and just add link. After that it will come import means just it will come same like import that product on your store. So it will be like that only. If you will get any doubt in the AliExpress link, just you can ask the customer again. There is no issue in that. This is how we will edit our website. If you have any doubt, like if the customer support is not helping you and you are facing any problem, you can ask me also, and you can connect me on Instagram. You can connect me on WhatsApp. I will provide the WhatsApp group link for the Shopbase also. You can connect in there, or you can ask question to the admin also. So we are happy to help. So this is all. So see you in the next video. Take care and bye.